Create unique prints and graphics for your drawings much more easily with Audaces Idea's artificial intelligence tools. To create vector drawings, simply select the Design tool in the Artificial Intelligence group under the Creation tab and insert the image you want to generate in the text box, then click OK. Keep in mind that artificial intelligence will use the text of your prompt to create the drawing, so be sure to describe what you want to create in great detail. The elements created are editable vector designs, i.e., you can change the shapes with the Idea control points and drawing tools, as well as the outline and fill colors. The drawings generated by artificial intelligence are unique, so each time you enter a text in the prompt box, a new drawing will be created that is different from the previous one. To see realistic versions, color variations, and textures of your creations, with the drawing selected, click on the Fashion AI tool in the Artificial Intelligence group under the Creation tab. Enter a detailed description of what you want to change about your drawing in the prompt text. To ensure the best result, add details such as the color of the piece, fabric, color of the trims and the background. You can also generate realistic versions of your drawings with the Fashion AI tool without entering a text in the prompt. This allows the artificial intelligence itself to decide the color and texture of the created image. You can create several versions of the rendered drawing, helping you make decisions on garment variants. For example,